So first up, I'm going to do some really weird facial movements. Not really great. I like finding my angles, but I'm just trying to show you my makeup. Then I'm going to take some Salon Perfect and I'm going to spray this onto my face. I think it's cool that it's a spray, but I always take my stippling brush and go over it. I don't know. I feel good about it. I like how it feels in my face. It's weird. I don't know. It's just what I do. Then I'm going to take the Crown Pro palette. I'm going to take this light brown shade. It's going to be my transition shade. I'm going to bring it all the way up to my brow bone. Do some fluffy circular motion movements. A little tongue twister. Whatever. And that's kind of just what I do. Nothing crazy. You can get a little bit like messy with it because we're going to clean it up anyway. It don't even matter. Just like that. Then I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to do a little Nicole Guerrero action and kind of boop, hit it up. That way I can see like where my crease ends so I don't get all crazy messy when I pop on my foil shadow. Then I'm going to take the deck of Scarlet Singles. This one is called Kim and it's like the perfect rose gold. I love that it's not super shimmery and it's super wearable and it's a good day-to-day eyeshadow. Yeah, eyeshadow. See how it looks so pretty? And I know it looks weird because I have no foundation on, but it looks bomb when you put on your foundation. Okay, just trust the process, people. Then I'm going to take this one. I think this is called Yvonne. And it's more of like a champagne-y shade. I'm going to pop that underneath my brow bone. I love how it looks. It looks so good. I love it. I feel like it looks good on everyone. It's just like the perfect little highlight, baby. Then I'm going to take the darker brown, stamp it into my outer corners just to give my look some depth. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, blend that away. Make sure everything blends. You don't got to have like the perfect cut crease ever. But, you know, kind of cut the crease. Then I'm going to take the Sigma liner. Love that liner. A little cluster, Salon Perfect. That's my jam. Love them. Here I am trying to be cool like one of the big YouTubers. But then I was like, oh shit, you suck. They fell out. So here I go again. I'm trying so hard to keep it still. And here they are, the new CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. They're made with avocado and shea butter. And here's the primer. And then I put on the mascara. What I really like about this, though, is that when you're done with it and you wash your face, it doesn't stain your face forever. So I really like it. Then I'm going to take the La Mercier, and this is their tinted moisturizer. A little bit goes a long way. I was like, God damn, it just like would not like stop. It just kept going and going and going forever. So next time I use it, I would definitely use less. As you can see, it looks super oily and it is oil free. Yeah. So I put on a little concealer. I wanted to be cool and do like the dot thing. I'll probably never do this again. I don't know why people do it. It's a little bit weird. It's super time consuming and it's just not effective. And I feel like I used way too much. So I definitely don't recommend doing this. Yeah, so just blend this forever. So here I am using a stippling brush trying to get away that concealer because there was just way too much. And then I was just like, ugh. So I hated it. But then I'm going to take my Sigma, and this has like a flat line. This is their 3D. I love it if you suck at nose contours like me because it does the work for you because there's a flat line on it. Then I'm going to take my Givenchy Prism Libre powder and all them oils away from starting to get notified. Like the Laura Mercier translucent powder does. Then I'm going to take this Gerard Cosmetics little palette thingy, and I'm going to use the bronzer. I love the bronzer in here because it doesn't look orange. It's just like a really good bronzer, you know. And I'm just going to kind of pop that everywhere. You can see my favorite song came on. I'm so sorry, guys. Super annoying. I'm the worst dancer ever. And yeah, I'm just going to bronze my face while I do horrible motions. And then I'm going to put on some blush up my face. I love blush. I could use blush all day, every day. It's my favorite. Any blush, give it to me. And then I'm going to use the new Melted Metallic Too Faced. And this is like the perfect baby doll pink. I love it. It's so comfy. And then I paired it with this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine. I just feel like all these pinks and these rosy golds like were so fun. You can see the primer on my lashes, like the white, it's still drying. I would not use that primer again. It like literally took forever to dry. I was not a fan. But the Salon Perfect, this is their setting spray. I will say it kind of smelled like hairspray. For real. I don't know if I'll use that again. This is my first time using the Laura Mercier highlighter. It's my favorite. Did I say that? Is that weird? It's my favorite. It's like subtly blinding. You know what I'm saying? I love it. It's really pretty. It's like perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah. Can you tell I love it? Then I'm gonna take that lightest brown again and I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes and then pop on some mascara and I'm all done. I hope you guys loved this look as much as me and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!